What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today we're reviewing the Behringer V-Tone Bass BDI 21 Bass Amp Modeler Driver DI. So this thing is around 25 euros, like $33 or something like that. Somewhere around that range. So yeah, this thing is really cool. Let's just talk all about it right now. So first of all, we got presence. We got the drive, we got treble, we got bass, level, and blend, which is pretty much the slappiness of the tone. We also got ground lift, which eliminates all bad noise and stuff. So yeah, I have that on usually. Let's just switch it on. I know my amp's not on, but yeah. So this thing is really cool. It's got like tons of different tones that you would at least need at least 5 pedals to like match what this thing has in only one little plastic box. So yeah, let's just check this thing out. Let's show you the tones. There's obviously tons of different tones you can get. There's obviously the basic ones. We're gonna show you like the different ones, like the slap and distortion and stuff. So let's see how they sound. Right, so here it is, and this is just its normal sound without with literally nothing. It's not on currently, so this is what it sounds like. So yeah, really basic. So one thing to note, I'm putting this into my Zoom G1.4 where I got this rack con, which is pretty much a compressor, and I got a ZNR, which is a noise gate. I have that off right now because I'm not getting it into any dirty tones, so it's not really needed. So let's just switch it on. First of all, let's give it a nice slap tone. So in the manual that comes with this, there's actually like pictures of how to set it up for different types of tones, which is really cool. So this is pretty much the slap tone. You crank up the blend, a tiny bit of drive, treble, bass, and level. So this is how it sounds. I'm playing this in drop B tuning, so I kind of play that like half step down. I'll play it the normal version now, which is literally like a couple frets up. So yeah, that's pretty much the slap sound. It sounds really good. Just take a listen to that. See, I'm not really good at slap bass, but you get the point. It sounds really good. Right, so now let's move on to some, I guess, dirtier tones, because, this thing obviously can do that as well. So let's switch on our noise gate on my Zoom G1.4, and, I already have it set up. You pretty much just crank up the drive, and then just, like, take away some of that blend. And then there you go. You probably can't really see the settings properly. I think you can. So yeah, this is going to be the dirty tone, and it's good, but I feel like it needs a tiny bit more distortion. But if we're like certain styles of metal, I guess this would be a pretty nice tone. So, anyways, yeah, here's the dirty tone. So yeah, that's the pretty much dirty tone. I feel like it needs a bit more distortion. I tried to use my overdrive distortion for my guitar, which is also a Behringer. I made a video on that, so you should obviously go check that out. Yeah, it's just too much noise, and it sounds pretty bad. So, I think it sounds just pretty good with its normal distortion tone. So, yeah, this is pretty much as much as I can do. This is as much drive as I can put up and stuff. So yeah, it's good, but I feel like it would need a bit more distortion. I should actually consider getting a bass overdrive pedal, but I don't know. I think that would be a bit too much. But overall, I think this is a really good buy. I think it's really good for its price. And I would highly, highly, highly recommend you check this thing out. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, switch on notifications to be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Smack the like button if you enjoyed it. I read all the comments in the comment section. So leave a nice comment and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Pieces in the cheetahs, mofos.